BJP President Nitin Gadkari will complete 2 years in office almost 3 weeks from now. It has been an eventful 2 years. Mr. Gadkari is with us. Mr. Gadkari, last 2 years you have been the party president. What has been the most satisfying moment, if I ask you, in your tenure?
There are a lot of things which give me tremendous pleasure, particularly the victory in Bihar. Then the growth of the party is now in a good position. Today I am very much confident that we will be succeed to get more than 200 seats in the next parliament election. The atmosphere is very favorable in the parliament and out of the parliament also. We fight the issue of price rise, black money and corruption. And even in the party also, lot of sales, the people are active now. We have a good governance sale, training sale, which completed the training of 30,000 workers. And on different level, we are trying our level best to increase the mass base of the party. By collective team spirit and by collective leadership, we achieve a good mark for our party, and that is a satisfaction.
And any disappointment, you think something you thought you could have done in the first 2 years that you couldn't do?
My nature is I never disappoint, because the politics is the instrument of socio-economic reform. As a political worker, I always work for the party, work for the nation and work for the poor man. In our party already there is our party statement is the country first, second party, and after that what we consider ourselves. This is the spirit of the party, and that's why I never disappoint. Sometimes I always of the opinion that there are some people who convert problems into opportunities, and there are some people who convert opportunities into the problems. Suppose if some disappointments are there, some problems are there, these are the opportunities for me to prove my mettle, and I always accept it as my challenge. And it's my good experience that from many challenges, many tasks, we convert into opportunities in the interest of the party. That is really a satisfaction for me.
So let's come back to something which is occupying the political discourse now. FDI and retail is being discussed both inside and outside the house. First, I would like to ask you, as the main opposition party, did the government try to take you into confidence before going ahead with it? Was there some talk?
Regarding FDI, I have discussion with the finance minister. Our problem is that our feeling is that because of FDI, it will be a very problematic situation in the city, particularly where the small traders and businessmen, it is difficult for the survival of their business.
So you had this talk when finance minister called you over for lunch?
Yes. At that time we discussed, and our party has taken a decision to oppose FDI.
Sir, you are a politician who is also an entrepreneur, who comes from an area which is considered, the epicenter of the agrarian crisis in this country, Vidarbha region. You have seen the problems, travails of those people. Do you think that FDI and retail, there is nothing good in it, that it should be opposed in such a way?
There are some advantages and some disadvantages. The disadvantage is the country is facing the problem of unemployment and poverty. Today, our growth rate, GDP, is continuously in a minus position. Per capita income is very less. In such a situation, if it will be a problem in the point of view of employment is concerned, it will again create more problem, particularly the small traders and businessmen. That is one of the important problem by which we are very much concerned about.
And advantages, you said?
Advantages is in the world now, it is to be going on. The agriculture economy, somewhere the pre-cooling plant, cold storage, storing capacity may increase. But today we are in such a position that we have to protect the unorganized sector, traders, businessmen, and to protect them. And after that we can consider about it. And we already have taken a decision to give up to 26%. First of all, we have take the experience of it, and after that, after the experience, then we can think about it.